Welcome to my channel. Today we are making a quick oven-baked pancake with a delicious filling. No oil, no yeast, and it looks almost like a big, thin pizza. It turns out large enough to cover the entire baking tray. First, turn on your oven and preheat it to 200 degrees Celsius. While the oven is heating, we'll prepare the batter. Grind 200 grams of oat flakes into flour. Transfer the oat flour into a large bowl. 1 cup of ground oats equals about 100 grams. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, 4 eggs and 360 milliliters of milk at room temperature. Mix everything thoroughly until the batter is smooth and there are no lumps. And at the very end, add half a teaspoon of baking powder. For an oat-based batter, baking powder makes it softer, lighter and much more tender. Now let's quickly prepare the filling. Slice 120 grams of pitted green olives into small rings. Finely chop a bunch of parsley. Take 170 grams of cheese with pistachios, sliced into thin pieces. Cut half of a sweet bell pepper into small strips. Dice 1 tomato. It will add juiciness, freshness and a light acidity. Use only the flesh, without excess liquid, so the batter doesn't get too moist. Add 100 grams of cottage cheese. It gives the batter a creamy, delicate flavor. And 100 grams of smoked pork loin, which adds aroma, richness and makes the dish more filling. Line your baking tray with parchment paper and slowly pour out the batter. It spreads on its own, but I help shape it a bit with a spatula. Start with the pork loin, sprinkling it evenly across the entire tray. Next, add the olives. They act like a natural seasoning, enhancing the overall flavor. Tomatoes make the batter softer, juicier and more fragrant. Bell pepper adds sweetness, a bright aroma and balance. The cheese gives a nutty flavor, and the pistachio pieces make the topping look richer. Cottage cheese also brings its own pleasant note. Once everything is layered, place the tray in the oven and bake for 30 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius until beautifully golden. And here it is, our gorgeous baked oat flour flatbread, full of fresh aromas and colors. Every slice hides something delicious: juicy tomatoes, tender cottage cheese, sweet bell pepper, soft olives, fragrant pork loin, and a generous layer of cheese. The base stays soft, yet holds its shape perfectly, and the oat flour adds a warm, slightly nutty flavor that makes this dish feel incredibly cozy and homemade. Cook with joy and enjoy your meal. Don't forget to subscribe, leave your comments, and give the video a like. See you next time. Bye-bye!